Hi, Carter Dewey, DataRemote. Thank you for joining me today. I'm here to talk about our technology, POTS in a Box, and why it's relevant in the market. I have 3 points that I'd like to discuss. First is the FCC forbearance, second is the ROI, and third is the standard billing. The FCC voted on a forbearance of the 1996 Telecommunications Act back in August last year. Why that's important to you? You most likely have infrastructure that relies on that old copper TDM infrastructure, such as fire panels, alarm panels, elevators, building controls like lighting controls, HVAC systems, and many, many more types of systems. Our technology allows for those machine-to-machine communications to be transmitted over IP. So on the edge, our technology fools the appliances to think it's still on the old PSTN, but really it's broadcasting IP. The good news about the forbearance is about a 3-year roadmap for you to start transitioning and making that plan to move to an IP type infrastructure. Second, we've got a fantastic ROI in this technology. We're seeing 30 to 40% savings over PSTN POTS line cost. Not only that, but you get away from a lot of the fees that you might see with those legacy services. Third is our partners, our carriers, are now able to bill one bill, all 50 states, one rate, where historically you might have been using multiple carriers, different billing rates within different regions. So this really gives your accounting team a lot of operational efficiency. Join me in the discussion of how we take these legacy services and integrate them into a cloud software as a service designed for next-gen networks.